How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. Right click on the Start icon at bottom left corner of the screen. A menu box appears on your screen. Select Settings option. Once the settings appears on your screen, click on the search bar at top left corner of the screen and search for Windows Security Settings. Select Windows Security Settings. Then you will land on this Windows Security section where on the protection areas, you will get a lot of options like virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, and many more. Simply, to disable the Windows Defender, select Virus and Threat Protection. A new window appears on your screen where you have to scroll down and select Virus and Threat Protection settings. Under that, click on Manage Settings option. Here you will get options like real-time protection, deep drive protection, cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and temporary protection. Simply make sure to toggle the button off in this way and click on Yes button to make changes. Once you do all for this, you need to simply go back, and this will help us to disable the Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.